Honorable our Secretary Sir, Zone 4 AGO Sir, and our Principal Sir, thank you for this opportunity, Sir. Today I will take 9th class Social Studies. First of all, I will ask some questions in previous class. Last class we will discuss what topic, anybody? Last class we will discuss what topic, anybody?
Our earth.
No. Last class we will discuss what topic? I mean subtopic.
Topic.
No. The Earth's grid system. What is meant by the Earth grid system? Anybody? What is meant by Earth grid system?
Longitude and latitude.
Very good. Latitude and longitude. On a globe, a network of latitude and longitude is drawn, is called a grid. How to help of the grid? How to help of the grid? Anybody? How to help?
We know places easily.
We can locate places.
Any places. Anytime.
What is meant
Easy.
by, what is meant by latitudes? Anybody? What is meant by latitudes? The horizontally circles, it goes around the earth. How many latitudes? Anybody?
181.
181.
No, 180. We are not
Plus one,
counting
sir.
the equator. Northern hemisphere 19 latitudes, southern hemisphere 90 hemisphere equal to 180 latitudes. Which one is called semicircles? Which one is called semicircles? Anybody? Which one is called semicircle? Longitudes. Longitudes
Longitude.
is semicircle. How many time zones in the world? Anybody? How many time zones in the world? How many time zones in the world? There are 24 time zones. In your surrounding areas, some objectives, I mean trees, rivers, mountains, plateaus, what are they called? Anybody? Trees, rivers, oceans, nature. Okay, very good. Today we will discuss about the natural realms of the earth. All of you listen carefully. Today we will discuss about the natural realms of the earth. Today we will discuss about natural realms of the earth. The scientists, according to 4 natural realms. Number 1, lithosphere. Number 2, hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere. Atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Number 4, biosphere.
Biosphere.
Listen carefully. Don't make noise. The earth, scientists, according to 4 natural realms. Number 1, lithosphere. Number 2, hydrosphere. Number 3, atmosphere. Number 4, biosphere. Today we will discuss about one by one. Listen carefully. First one is lithosphere. Lithosphere derived from Latin word. That word is lithos. Lithos means rock or stone. Sphere means circle or ball. This lithosphere, solid rocks and hard part of the on the earth. The lithosphere components: high mountains, plateaus, highlands, low plains, deep valleys, very deep basins. Once again, the lithosphere's components: high mountains, plateaus, highlands, low plains, deep valleys, and very deep basins. These are components of the lithosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere Hydrosphere is the second sphere of the world. Hydro means water. It is also derived from Latin word hydr. Hydr means water. The hydrosphere components various kinds of water bodies like streams, canals, rivers, seas, oceans. These are called hydrosphere. We all living creatures depending necessary for hydrosphere, hydrological circulation, very necessarily. Third one is atmosphere. Listen carefully, don't make noise. Third sphere is atmosphere. It is also derived from Latin word. That word is atmos. Atmos means vapor. The components of atmospheres, so many gases surrounding our atmosphere, just like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles. These components of the hydrosphere. Once again, atmosphere means water vapor.
Latin word.
Water vapor. These components of atmosphere, mixing of gases surrounding our earth, our atmosphere, just like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. These all are known as atmosphere components. Fourth sphere is biosphere.
Biosphere.
Biosphere. Bios means life. This is also derived from Latin word bios. B-I-O-S. Bios means life. In our nature, in our air, little micro bacteria to human beings and big animals, big trees, they all are including Biospheres. Bios means life. Bios means life. This is also important. Important sphere. Next topic, landforms. Next topic, landforms. The earth scientists are, according to some land order forms, that is 3-order landforms. Number 1 is first order landforms. Please write down, listen carefully. The first order landform, second one, second order landform, third one, third order landform. We will discuss one by one first order landforms. The first order landforms are continents and oceans. How many continents? What are they? Anybody? Please unmute and respond me. How many
7
continents? Very good.
7 continents.
Very good. 7 continents.
7,
What
sir.
what are
7,
they?
sir.
What are they? What are they?
Asia,
Asia.
Europe,
Students, listen carefully. We can say answer orderly. Don't disorderly.
Asia,
Listen carefully. There are 7 continents. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, Africa. Number 3, North America. Number 4, South America. Number 5, Antarctica. Number 6, Europe. Number 7, Australia. These are continents orderly. Next, oceans. How many oceans are there? Anybody unmuted and say answer?
7.
5. It is not right. You can consider only 4.
7.
You can consider only 4.
4,
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Should not consider Antarctic Ocean because of this Antarctic Ocean covered with 90% of ice.
Ice.
Today,
Ice.
should not consider the ocean in Antarctic Ocean. So, which one is first order landform? Anybody? Which one is first order landform? Anybody?
Continent. Ocean.
continent, oceans,
Ocean.
Continent, oceans.
oceans,
Okay, next second order landforms. Please note down and listen carefully. Second order landforms. Second order landforms. Mountains, plateaus, plains, deep valleys, deep basins. These are second order landforms. Once again, we should all of you listen carefully. The second order landforms, mountains, plateaus,
Plateaus.
plains,
Plains. Valleys.
valleys, deep basins. Okay. Third order landforms. Third order landforms, wind and air. Third order landforms,
wind and air.
wind and air.
wind and air,
Wind and air.
and air కాదు
Wind, W-I-N,
విండ్ అండ్ ఎయిర్ రా
wind and
చెప్పేది
air.
కూడా రాలేదా డెజర్ట్ లో గాలి వల్ల ఏర్పడే ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ని థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ అంటారు అవి మష్రూమ్స్ ఫిగర్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు నీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్
Next,
చెప్పలేవా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉన్నది కదా చేతిలో.
Next, the jigsaw puzzles. Next topic, the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. Next, the jigsaw puzzle and moving plates. Interior part of the earth, some plates that is known as plate tectons. That is plate tectons. These plate tectons always continuously moving. They are pushing one continent plate tectons push to another plate tectons. This is called plate tectons. There are about 6 major plates. Number 1, Africa. Number 2, North America. Number 3, South America. Number 4, Australian, Antarctica, Eurasian, and Pacific plates. Once again, listen. There are about 6 major plates on the earth. There are 6 major plates on the earth. Africa, number 1. Number 2, North America. Number 3, South America. Number 4, Indo-Australian. Number 5, Antarctic. Number 6, Eurasian and Pacific plates. These plates, major plates. There are also minor plates also. One is Nazca, NAZCA, Nazca. Another one is Arabian plates. Number 2, Arabian plates. Next, sleeve for C, SCA, sea floor spreading. So, geologists studying the crust under the sea have discovered that under some oceans like the Pacific Oceans, these are formed by lava rising. These are formed by lava rising up from the mantle. This fresh crust is being slowly pulled away from the ridge, bending the ocean basins. This lead to sea floor spreading. This is known as sea floor spreading. Once again, we all of you listen. Second.
ఏ బాబు ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకున్నా చార్ట్ పైన అంతా గీచేది అంతే అండి. మీరు చెప్తున్నా కదా వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకుంటే ఓకే, లేదంటే మేము రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను క్లాస్ నుంచి. ఆల్రెడీ చార్ట్ పైన గీతే వల్ల నేను రిమూవ్ చేయొచ్చా? మళ్ళీ ఇదే కంటిన్యూ అయితే నేను ఏం చేయను, రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను క్లాస్ నుంచి.
Once again, all of you listen carefully. Don't disturb. Please listen. Listen carefully. The earth scientists divided into 4 natural realms of the earth. Number 1 is lithosphere. Number 2, hydrosphere. Number 4, atmosphere. Next one is biosphere. First one, lithosphere, is the rigid outer most shell of a rocky planet. It comprises the crust and the portion of the upper mantle that behaves elastically one-time scales of thousands of years or greater. The surface of the earth consists of soil and rocks. This surface layer of the earth is called the crust or the lithosphere. The crust includes both oceans and the land masses. This is a lithosphere. This lithosphere derived from Latin word that is lithos, Lithos. Lithos means rock or stone.
Rock or stone.
Another one is hydrosphere. Hydro means water. This is also derived from Latin word hudor.
Latin.
Hudor. Hudor. Hudor means water. The components of hydrospheres, rivers, lakes, canals, seas, oceans, these all are components of the hydrosphere. Listen carefully. Hydrosphere, it includes the vast oceans that cover about 70% of the Earth's surface. It includes the vast oceans that cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. Hydro means water.
Hydro means water.
Fourth one is atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
We already discussed in just few minutes ago. Atmosphere surrounds the Earth as a layer containing a mixture of gases. That is atmos. Atmos means air, vapor. It is also derived from Latin word atmos. Atmos means vapor. Next, biosphere. Bios means life. It is also derived from Latin word bios, B-I-O-S. Bios means life. In our earth, in our surrounding, so many living creatures are there. Each and every one, they are included a biosphere, like little microbacteria to human beings and big animals and big trees also, they are included. They are sharing of biospheres. Next one is, we already discussed landforms. First order landforms, second order landforms, third order landforms. Which one is second order landforms? Anybody?
Mountains, plains, valleys.
Very good. Which one is?
Plateaus.
Which one is third order landforms?
Wind and air. Wind and air.
Wind and air. Very good. Which one is first order landform?
Continents and oceans.
Continents and
Oceans.
Gunshekar, well answered. Next, we already discussed in the jigsaw puzzle and moving plates. How many major plates? How many major plates?
6.
Very good. Gunshekar, say answer. What are they?
African, North American,
Yes.
South American,
Yes.
Indonesian, Indo-Australian,
Indo-Australian.
Australian,
Yes.
Antarctic.
Yes.
European,
Eurasian and
Pacific
plate.
plates.
Which one is minor plates? Anybody? Which one is minor
NASA.
plate? Nazca and Arabian plate. Nazca and Arabian plate.
Arabian plate.
All of you observe carefully on the video. All of you observe carefully video. Video, please. All of you listen carefully. Observe on the video. Listen carefully and observe. You would have better, sir. First order. I'll wait the video. Sound.
Welcome to the
Sound
chapter,
button, sound
The Natural Rays
Sound
of the Earth. We will now look into the topic, the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. While looking at the world map, have you ever noticed that the continents look like pieces of puzzle? If they're moved closer together across the Atlantic Ocean, they would fit neatly to form a giant landmass. Scientists proposed that in the beginning of all the continents were held together, but later they broke up and gradually drifted just like pieces of large jigsaw puzzle and came to their present places. Geologists have concluded that all the continents and oceans are actually located on massive surface of rocks called plates. There are 6 major plates and many minor plates on the Earth. The 6 major plates are African, North American, South American, Indo-Australian, Antarctic, Eurasian, and Pacific plates. The minor plates are Nazca and Arabian plates. These plates float on mantle. Earth movements, that is, forces operating inside the Earth's crust, cause these plates to move away from each other or move towards each other. Plate tectonics is the theory which explains how the pieces of Earth's surface, that is, the plates, move. This theory states that the Earth's crust is broken into several pieces called plates that move over a layer of hot magma, molten rock, in the mantle layer of the Earth. Note, the word tectonic is derived from the Greek word tekton, which means builder, which in turn was derived from Sanskrit word takshan, which also means builder. As the plates move and push each other, a lot of pressure is exerted, leading to many changes. Due to the huge pressure, one plate gets pushed under into the mantle, whereas the other plate gets pushed up, causing formation of chain of mountains. These movements also cause volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. But do you know why these plates are pushed? What is the reason?
First order, second order. Dear students, once again observed land order forms, first order land forms, third order land forms. Listen carefully and write down it. Next class, I will ask some questions. Please listen carefully and write down everyone. First order land forms are those that are big and vast like continents and ocean basins. Continents and ocean basins are first order landforms. Second order landforms are those found on the continents and ocean basins. Mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, deep basins, these are second order landforms. Next, the third order landforms. The third order forms, what are they? Anybody? Which one is third order landforms?
Wind, water.
Very good.
Wind, air, sir.
Wind, air. Wind,
And
air.
air.
Okay, okay. Are those that have been formed by the different oxygenous process, that is wind and air, third order landforms? Listen, all of you, some homework, write down. All of you note down some homework. All of you note down some homework. How many natural rims of the earth? How many natural rims of the earth? All of you note down. How many natural rims of the earth? Question mark. What are they? What are they? What are they? Next question. How many landforms? What are they? How many landforms? What are they? Second question. How many landforms? What are they? Next question. How many jigsaw puzzles? How many jigsaw puzzles? How many jigsaw puzzles? Comma, major and minor plates. Comma, major and minor plates. All of you note down. Another simple question.
Yes, sir.
How to see floor spreading? How to see floor spreading? How to see floor spreading? How many questions are there?
4, sir. 4.
Very good, very good. All of you write down and once again read. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
sir.
రే బాబు, క్లాస్ లో ప్రతి క్లాస్ లో మీకు చెప్తున్నాం వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎటువంటి స్లైడ్స్ పైన ఏమి గీయకూడదు అనేసి. మీకు ప్రతిసారి చెప్తున్నా. ఈరోజు స్లైడ్స్ పైన గీసే వాళ్ళంతా ఒక 5-6 మందిని రిమూవ్ చేశాను. వీడియోలను కూడా 2-3 రిమూవ్ చేశాను. ఇదే లాస్ట్ వార్ నేను చెప్తున్నా. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోవాలి. నోట్బుక్ పెన్ చేతిలో పెట్టుకోవాలి. మీరు వేసుకో, సత్యవాడు అంటే సత్యవాడు అని పెట్టుకోండి మీ పేరు పక్కన, చదువు అంటే చదువు అని పెట్టుకోండి మీ పేరు పక్కన, అయితేపల్లి అంటే అయితేపల్లి అని పెట్టుకోండి. అది లేదనుకో నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి క్లాస్ నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను.
Please don't disturb, my dear students. We must be avoid other activities, misbehavings. Please listen carefully. Don't disturb. All of you, we should complete your homework. We will meet again next Zoom class. Thank you, one and all.
మేడం అనుష మేడం మేడం అయితే అనుష మేడం